Advanced Endoscopy की Lam Da Olympus India Institute of Liver and Diagnostic Sciences ILDS Imphal da Center of Excellence Awards Pirakkhre Matik chaba equipment amadi Dr. Singh khwaidagi aruba procedure da khwaidagi ningthina pangthokpagi damak award asi khutchinabani haina Olympus India ki Managing Director Nausio Kikumoto na phungdokhre Kwakaichal Hainau Khongnembida Laiba ILDS Hospital ngasi pangthokhiba Center of Excellence Award lanthokpagi thoram aduda Olympus India ki MD Nausio Kikumoto ILDS ki Director Dr. Suresh Kumar amade Olympus India ki Assistant Divisional Manager Rayo Nakadeggawa na athoiba mithunglensing oina sarukya khe Thauramadu Mari Lainana Olympus India ki Managing Director Nausio Kikumoto na hai Endoscopy haiba laying pathap asi yamna luba makhal gi laying pathap amane hariba laying pathap asi chathaba matam da khwaidagi advance oiba makhal gi kuchu khulai amade madu dingthina sisinaba haiba Dr. Singh mathautai maru oina liver intestine stomach na chingba hakchang manungi kayat singda ultrasound na ubu phangdaba akupa potchak sing yengduna anaba sing laying bada endoscopy ki laying pathap ase yamna tangai fadaba amane Endoscopy season naraga chathaba laying pathap ase hospital asida lairiba expert sing na niyom chumna season nabagi dama Center for Excellence Award ase khutchinabani haina so mahakna phungdokhe
The Indians, the physicians, or also the surgeons, very, or the actively share, the skill and also or the knowledge with, or other colleagues or next generation of the physicians and surgeons. So probably our commitment is there. Of course, the business is important, but other than business, our commitment is there always, the support physicians to procedure, the training and also procedure development. Some of the new procedure which was reported in America or Europe or Japan, we have a global network, so we try to connect and we support local training. That is one. Second, of course, we always care patient, so patient first. So patient safety, that is very, very important.
Ngasigi Thauramadu da Wangang Laduna ILDS ki Director Dr. Suresh Kumar na hai Manipur khakta da natana Northeast State singi manung da ILDS Hospital na ihan hanbo oina Center of Excellence Award khusinarakpa ase hospital asigi amade lamdam asigi oina laibak fabane Masimakna hospital ase lingkhatpagi pandamado phangba ngamle haina lawe Amaromda hospital asida hojik chathariba laying pathap sing ase Europe country singda amade Asia gi oina Japan Korea na chingbada chathaba laying pathap ne laying pathap asida mioibagi hakchang manungda maru oina liver intestine na chingbada narakpa yaba cancer laina hanana khangdoklaga laina asi changhalaktabaso ngamme Asigumba aruba laying pathap asi niyom chumna amade maipak na chatharakpa asida Center of Excellence Award asi kuchinarakpani haina mahakna makhatakhi
Northeast ki oina aikoina ahan bamsung amatoi badung makhalgi Center of Excellence ni endoscopy phangis masida apai ki phangiba Center of Excellence se ahan bamatam da moina hairi si basic and advanced procedures myam se apai ki fazana tawba adum ba fulfill tawba center moi ni haidi lairiba apai ki ana basing su yam ni important yeng se Manipur da akwai ki laiba thibong thimgi cancer intestinal cancer colon cancer adagi akwai ki esophageal cancer ko sigi chaki pipe de gina akwai ki akwai ki chakhau adagi thirin sugumba mayam si cancer si yam yam atopa India gi jaga ga yingru matam da akwai jaga si yam sina wa